In this video, we're going to have a look at printouts and we're going to have a go at inserting a PDF, a Word document, and a PowerPoint. So move over to the printout option, which is under the insert banner. I'm going to have a go at inserting a PDF document. So I'm going to find one that I have recently and insert that onto my page. So you see the difference between adding it as an attachment. You get the little PDF attachment there, which I can then preview and still open in PDF Viewer. But I get the little printout here where I can actually see what's on that page. So it kind of displays a bit like a large picture into my OneNote page. Let's have a go at doing a Word document. I'm going to hit the printout button again and I go and find a calendar that I have and insert that onto my page. And you can see I now also get the PDF version there. You can delete that if you want. I also get the Word attachment version. Again, if you don't need it, you can delete it. And I have the option to be able to move that and resize that as I feel the need to. It's not editable and flowable like a Word document anymore. It is just like a PDF, so it just looks like a picture of that Word document. And lastly, let's have a look at a PowerPoint. But instead of using the printout feature, because we're using Macs, we can just simply drop and drag. So I'm going to go to my downloads and I'm going to drag this PowerPoint straight in, drop it into my page, insert it as a printout. That's going to then convert that document straight to a PDF and then it's going to print that PowerPoint out onto my page. So you can see this is only a one slide PowerPoint, but again, I can resize and move that around if I feel the need to do that. And if I had multiple slides, they would all appear in under that. And not only do I get the PDF version, the printout, but I also get the little PowerPoint attachment as well. So again, if you need that, you can keep it there. If you don't need it, feel free to delete it and you can move this image around to wherever you want it. So there you go. That is printouts of PDFs, Words, and PowerPoint on OneNote for Mac.